28 people, including 22 children, have been killed in a coach crash in a Swiss motorway tunnel. The coach was carrying a group of 55 tourists, mostly school children from Belgium, who were heading home after a skiing holiday in the resort of Val de Zanavie. 24 children were injured. Some are in a serious condition in hospital. Officials said the coach was travelling through a motorway tunnel in the Swiss canton of Valais when it crashed head-on into a wall. Both of the drivers were killed. The coach was one of three travelling together, heading back to the villages of Lommel and Heverlee in the Flanders region of Belgium. The other two have returned home. Belgium's Prime Minister is heading to Switzerland, and 2 planes are being laid on to fly the relatives of the victims to the region. The crash is one of the worst in Switzerland since 1982, when 39 German tourists were killed on a railway crossing when a train hit their bus.